Vienna is a city that feels like stepping into a living masterpiece. Known as the capital of Austria, it blends imperial history with modern charm. Walking through Vienna is like turning the pages of a storybook, where grand palaces, artistic treasures, and music fill every corner. From elegant coffee houses to stunning architecture, this city offers an unforgettable experience. In this video, we will explore the most beautiful and inspiring places you should not miss in Vienna. Hofburg Palace is one of the most important landmarks in Vienna. For centuries, it was the residence of the powerful Habsburg dynasty, and today it still reflects that imperial glory. The complex is filled with elegant courtyards, grand halls, and impressive museums. Visitors can admire the imperial apartments, the silver collection, and the world-famous Spanish riding school. Hofburg Palace is truly a place where history and beauty come together. St. Stephen's Cathedral stands as the heart and symbol of Vienna. Its Gothic spires rise high above the city, and its colorful tiled roof is one of the most photographed sights in Austria. Inside, the cathedral is filled with breathtaking details, from intricate altars to centuries-old treasures. Visitors can also climb the tower for a sweeping view over Vienna, making this cathedral a place of both beauty and deep history. Belvedere Palace is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture and one of the most beautiful landmarks in Vienna. The palace complex is made up of the upper and lower Belvedere, surrounded by elegant gardens that feel like a royal escape. Inside, visitors can admire an outstanding art collection, including the famous painting The Kiss by Gustav Klimt. The Belvedere is a perfect place to experience both artistic treasures and stunning architecture. The Vienna State Opera is one of the most famous opera houses in the world, and a true cultural treasure of the city. Its grand architecture and rich history make it a landmark of elegance and art. Inside, audiences experience world-class performances of opera and ballet almost every day. Even if you do not attend a show, guided tours reveal the beauty of the auditorium, the stage, and the history that makes this opera house so special. The Kunsthistorisches Museum, or Museum of Art History, is one of the greatest museums in the world. Built in a grand Renaissance style, it houses masterpieces by artists such as Rembrandt, Rubens, and Vermeer. The museum is also home to treasures from ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Walking through its magnificent halls feels like a journey across centuries of human creativity, making it a must-visit for art and history lovers in Vienna. MuseumsQuartier is a vibrant cultural district in Vienna that combines history with modern creativity. Once the site of the imperial stables, it is now home to museums, galleries, and lively outdoor spaces. Visitors can explore contemporary art at the Leopold Museum or the Museum of Modern Art, then relax in open courtyards filled with cafes and events. MuseumsQuartier is the perfect place to enjoy art, culture, and the lively spirit of Vienna. Prater is a large public park in Vienna that offers both relaxation and fun. Its most famous attraction is the giant Ferris wheel, which gives a stunning view over the city and has become a symbol of Vienna. The park is also filled with rides, games, and traditional food stands that create a lively atmosphere. Beyond the amusement area, Prater has wide green spaces and walking paths, making it a favorite spot for both adventure and peaceful escapes. Vienna Rathaus, or City Hall, is one of the most striking landmarks in the city. Built in a grand neo-Gothic style, it serves as the seat of the mayor and city government. Its tall central tower and elegant facade make it a highlight of Vienna's architecture. The Rathaus is also a cultural hub, hosting concerts, festivals, and the famous Christmas market. Surrounded by a beautiful square, it is a place full of charm and activity year-round. Donauinsel, or Danube Island, is a long, narrow island in Vienna that offers a perfect escape into nature. It is popular for walking, cycling, and water sports along the calm riverbanks. The island also hosts music festivals, open-air events, and family-friendly activities throughout the year. With green spaces, picnic spots, and scenic views, Donauinsel is a place where both relaxation and adventure meet, making it a favorite for locals and visitors alike. The Vienna Parliament building is a stunning example of neoclassical architecture and an important center of Austria's government. Its grand columns and statues create a majestic presence in the city. Visitors can admire the richly decorated interiors, including the assembly halls and ceremonial rooms. The surrounding square and fountains provide a beautiful space for walking and photography. The Parliament building reflects both the history and democratic spirit of Vienna.